In this video, we're going to be looking at standard form. Standard form is a way of writing very large or very small numbers in a simpler format. This format is a times 10 to the power of n, where n is a power, both positive and negative, and a is a number that is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. This number can also be in decimals, so for example 2.64. Based on that, which of the following is written in standard form? Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. 3.24 times 10 to the minus 12 is written in standard form. Here we can see that minus 5 does not fit the rule for a, 12 does also not fit the rule for a, and we have division instead of multiplication. Okay, let's see how we do this. 5 times 10. When we multiply, we shift to the left. We're shifting 1 times because we have 1 0. So we will do 5, decimal point, shift to the left, 50. Now when we do 50 times 100, since it's multiplication, we shift to the left, and we have 2 zeros, so we shift 2 places. We put our decimal, and we shift twice. Our answer is 5,000. Based on that, let's do this. We know that we can write this as 5 times 1, 10,000. So, we will shift it 5 to the left 4 times. So we'll write 5, a decimal point, shift 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 50,000. Okay, I'd like you to write the following in decimal. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, when we do a 5 divided by 10, when we do division, we shift to the right, and we're shifting 1 times. So we go 5, decimal point, shift to the right, we have 0.5. Okay, we have 50 divided by 1000. Again, we have division, so we shift to the right. We have 3 places. So we would go 50 and we shift 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This 0 here has no value, so we can write this as 0.05. Based on that, let's do this. 5 times 10 to the minus 6. When we have a minus, it's like doing division. So we can write this as 5 divided by, we have to have 6 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 6 places, so we move 5, 6 places back. And we fill it with zeros. So our answer is 0.000005. Okay, I'd like you to do this. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, let's convert these numbers into standard form. Since we know that A has to be a number that is fitting this inequality, we are going to move this a few decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we put a decimal point here, we can see that 6 fits that rule there. So we will write 6 times 10, but we have to find to what power. We can see that we moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And since this number is not in decimals, we can write this as 6 times 10 to the power of 5. We'll look at the next one. We're going to move this until it fits this inequalities. There. We have moved 3 places and 6.24 fits that rule. So we can write this as 6.24 times 10 to the power of 3. Okay, I'd like you to write the following in standard form. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, let's convert these into standard form. You can see that these are slightly different to the other ones. We have it in decimals. So, again, we have to have it to fit this inequality. So we will move this decimal point until it fits it. We have to move it 3 places, and 3 would be our number. So we write 3 times 10 to the power of not 3 this time, but minus 3. This is because we have a decimal point there. So, let's try this one. We have 0.0243. Now, we'll fit this inequality again. So we'll move 1, 2. We can see that 2.43 is greater than 1, but less than 10. So we will write 2.43 times 10 to the power of minus 2. Since it's less than this whole number, it's less than 1. And we moved 2 places to get 2.43. Okay, I would like you to write the following in standard form. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, hopefully you're confident in questions on standard form. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.